Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Shaleen. Konkan Railway Police has successfully traced the mother of the two children found in Margao. The lady, now identified as the mother, is claiming as her own. The Konkan Railway Police has handed over the mother to Margao Police Station. The mother claims that she is from Uttar Pradesh. Margao Police are further investigating the case. The mother and children are currently lodged in Apnagar. Watch.
Couple of days back, Margao Town Police Station has registered a case of abandoning a 3-year-old child, which they had located, traced at Gandhi Market, and the case is in investigation is in progress. And I believe the team is also out of state to trace the culprit and the parents involved in the case. Now, today morning, our Konkan Railway staff was patrolling at the railway station. They found a lady in distress. She was sitting, and our staff happened to inquire with her, and she informed our staff that her kids are missing since a couple of days back. So my staff immediately connected. They were able to connect it to the missing girl who was traced by the Margao police. And accordingly, we called the Margao police, and they have taken this lady who's the mother of the traced child, and they have taken her with her, and further investigation is being conducted to trace who has actually abandoned and who has taken away the child from her custody.
बच्चे को किसने लेके गया?
मेरे बच्चे तो गुम हो गए थे दीदी के पास।
तो बाद में वो कौन लेके गया?
दीदी और उनका मर्द।
I feel very happy to say that every time there has been a problem and we are looking for something, it is the Konkan Railway Police or DYSP, Konkan Railway, Mr. Goodlar, PI, and all these people here and the others who are in this team who have been instrumental in locating thieves, people who are lost and found, people who abandon children. This is not the first case. Today we are happy that a woman has come forward. She claims that it is her children who were snatched away from her by her husband's first wife. There were 8 of them traveling. She is a little confused because she's a mother, she's in trauma. Her husband also has been taken away by the first wife, and her 2 children have been taken away, and she's come searching for them to Goa. And it is fortunate for us that Konkan Railway Police were able to locate a woman who can be instrumental in giving us the people who kidnapped her children.
Activists of Heritage Group has heavily criticized the smart city contractor and officials for destroying heritage and age-old trees in the city in the name of development. They have resolved to personally complain before the Chief Minister regarding the disregard to the city. Watch.
Question येता की हो फातर कोणाचो? Is it of a Hindu edifice? Is it of a Muslim edifice? Is it of a church? Is it of a Jain temple? What is this about? जो पर्यंत डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ आर्किओलॉजी हो हांगासून काडून ते क्लीन करून सायंटिफिकली ताजेर स्टडी करून आयकॉनोग्राफी आमचे आसता ते ताजेर स्टडी करून आमकां जेन्ना सांगतले, कारण तुमी जर पळयत जाल्यार तो फुडलें तोंड दिसता, ताका तो कान आसा काय शींग आसा कितें आसा तें कळना. सो टुडे हो फादर हांगा कसो पावलो हाजेर म्हजी आनी एक थियरी आसा. प्लीज अंडरस्टँड वन थिंग. फूल एरिया फ्रॉम मिरामार टील आमचे तो फाटल्यान दोंगर आसा ताजे ह्या सायडीक रेबो आशिल्लो. आज जे आमी कांपाल म्हणटा ताका 5 ब्रिज लावन ताका डेवलप केल्लें 1829 इफ आय एम नॉट रॉंग. 1829 कांप द मनुयल म्हणटा पळय ताणें तें कांपाल जालें ताजें. सो नाव द थिंग इज जेन्ना ते डेवलप करताले हांगा ज्यो बिल्डिंग्स आशिल्ल्यो खंयच्यो तुज्यो हायकोर्टाची बिल्डिंग. द फर्स्ट हायकोर्ट इन एशिया वॉज इन गोवा. द फर्स्ट Goa Medical College, the medical college which was there in Paneli was brought here in 1912 or 1929, not sure of it. But हे बांदपा खातीर तांणी जे पळय ओल्ड खूब आपण सामान आशिल्ले, जे वांशे आशिल्ले, जे फातर आशिल्ले, जे चिरे आशिल्ले, कितें कितें आशिल्लें ते हांगा हाडून तांणी ती बांदल्यो. पॉसिबली जेन्ना आतां जस्ट फॉर युअर इन्फॉर्मेशन, ही जी सिमेट्री आसा दिस इज द न्यू सिमेट्री. ओल्ड सिमेट्री त्या सायडीक आसा आनी ती इट वॉज इनॉग्रेटेड ऑन 1st January 1879. हाज्या पयलीं लोक वयर चर्च आसा पळय ताजे कुशीक आसता दोंगर कापून कोर्ट ओयतेर म्हणटात, म्हणजे आमी कोर्तीन म्हणटात, ताजेर वयर आशिल्ले. आज तुमी वचत जाल्यार तुमकां थंय तुमकां ग्रेव्स दिश्टी पडटा. सो ती तांणी हांगा शिफ्ट केली आनी मागीर हांगा तांणी ही एक्सटेंड केली. सो पॉसिबली ह्यो बांदता आसतना तांकां पळय हें सामान आसलें तातूंत हें सांपडलां आसलें.
Chief Minister Pramod Sawant, along with Governor Sridharan Pillai, paid floral tribute in memory of those who laid their lives in struggle for freedom of India's at Martyrs Memorial Azad Maidan, Panjim on Tuesday. Martyrs Day, also known as Shaheed Divas, is observed in India on January 30th annually. The day is dedicated to pay homage to the courageous soldiers who sacrificed their lives for their motherland.
दर वर्सा आयचो दीस हो मार्टियर्स डे म्हणून ऑब्जर्व करता. आयच्या दिसा हांव म्हाज्या सयत गव्हर्नर आमचे पावर मिनिस्टर बक्सुदीन ढवळीकर हे फ्लोरल ट्रिब्यूट दिवपा खातीर आमी आझाद मैदानाचेर दिवून आयिल्ले. आमी म्हणटा की देशाच्या सगळ्या स्वतंत्र सैनाक, गोंयच्या सगळ्या स्वतंत्र सैनाक हो इतिहास भुरग्यांच्या मुखार उरपाक जाय म्हणून आयचो डे ऑब्जर्व करप हो गरजेचो आसा. सातत्यात फ्रिडम फायटरांनी दिल्लें बलिदान हे आमी केन्नाच विसरून उपयोग ना आनी तें सदोदीत याद उरपाक जाय. ह्याच भावनेंतल्यान आयचो डे हो ऑब्जर्व करता आनी आज रीत लेयींग आसतलें फ्लोरल ट्रिब्यूट सगळ्या फ्रिडम फायटरांक, म्हणजे ज्या देशाच्या स्वतंत्रांत सगळ्यांनी भाग घेतलो, गोंयच्या स्वतंत्रांत सगळ्यांनी भाग घेतलो, तांकां हांव श्रद्धांजली दिता, आदरांजली दिता आनी समेस्त गोंय सरकारच्या वतीन, गोंयच्या लोकांच्या वतीन हो तांकां करता.
Union Petroleum Minister Hardeep Singh Puri said that the India Energy Week 2024 is expected to witness a remarkable turnout with 17 energy ministers from different countries, over 35,000 attendees and more than 900 exhibitors. The India Energy Week 2024 is set to take place in Goa from February 6th till 9th, which will be inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
I just want to recall that the India Energy Week started only last year. We had the first meeting in Bengaluru. It was a roaring success. Little noisy along with the roar. This year, the number of exhibitors in the second edition has increased by 30% within 1 year. We have 900 exhibitors. The exhibition area itself has also gone up significantly. Last year we had 15,000 square meters. This year we have 18,500 square meters. Now this is a lot of area. I mean, this is 18,500 square meters. The total revenue from private firms has gone up by 44%. The duration of the number of strategic sessions in the second edition will increase from 3 days to 4 days. There are 44% more sessions planned in IEW. We are happy to know that in IEW 1, we received 1,000 submission papers. These are all technical, those involving cutting edge developments, innovations. This year the number has gone to double of that, 2,000. 4 new technical categories have been added, including shipping, logistics, supply chains, manufacturing, industrialization, future mobility and mining and minerals in line with domestic priorities. 2 clean, clear messages. This is not just about the oil and natural gas industry as we have known. This is about that and much more. This is about the entire energy spectrum and canvas.
Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant revealed that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will launch India Energy Week 2024 and lead the Viksit Bharat Viksit Goa 2047 rally during his upcoming visit to Goa on February 6th. The CM anticipates a crowd of over 50,000 at the KTC bus stand in Margao for PM Modi's public meeting.
Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant announced on Tuesday that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will commemorate Viksit Bharat Viksit Goa 2047 during his visit to Goa, addressing a large audience at the KTC bus stand in Margao on February 6th. CM Sawant also outlined various party plans for the people's benefit, including arranging 2 trains for party members and locals to visit Ram Mandir from February 12th to 26th, as disclosed during a BJP party meeting today.
पार्टीचे आज आमदार आणि आमचे सगळे मंडळ अध्यक्ष या सगळ्यांची बैठक आज हांगासर आयोजित केली. या बैठकीत वेगवेगळ्या विशयाचेर डिस्कशन्स जाले. एक गांव चलो अभियान म्हणजे बूथ चलो अभियान हाजेर इन डिटेलान डिस्कशन जालें. भारतीय जनता पार्टी जवळपास 9 तारखेच्यान 12 तारखेपर्यंत सगळ्या बुथांचेर आमचे कार्यकर्ते खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात वचून बूथ चलो अभियान यशस्वी करतले. लोकसभेची तयारी एखाद्या दृश्टीन आमी खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात सुरवात केल्या. दुसरी गजाल आमी एकंदर आमच्या राम मंदिर अयोध्येक वचपाचो जो विषय आसा पार्टीच्या वतीन सरकाराच्या वतीन हांव सांगना पार्टीच्या वतीन अयोध्येक वेगवेगळ्या लोकांक कार्यकर्त्यांक जे कोणाक वचपाक तयारी आसा तांचे 12 तारखे दीस आनी 26 तारखे दीस हे वचपाचे आसा. पार्टीचें रजिस्ट्रेशन सुरवात जालां. पार्टी कडेन सगळ्यांनी एप्रोच करचे ज्या निमित्तान अयोध्येक धाडपाच्या पार्टीन तयारी केल्या. 12 तारखेक आनी 26 तारखेक अश्यो 2 ट्रेन गोंयांतल्यान अयोध्येक वतल्यो. वेगवेगळे आमदार पार्टीचे कार्यकर्ते लोकांकूय बी ह्या कार्यक्रमाच्या निमित्तान आमी व्हरतले. टप्प्याटप्प्यान मागीर सरकार आपलो कार्यक्रम सुरवात करतले, बट सुरवात ही पार्टीन केल्ली आसा. हांव पार्टीचें खूब खूब अभिनंदन करता ह्या निमित्तान. तिसरें आमी पार्टीचें आमचें कार्यालय जावपाच्या त्या कार्यालयाच्या पर्मनंट ऑफिस जावपाच्या त्या संदर्भात तें प्रेजेंटेशन आनी पुराय आमी आमच्या सगळ्या कार्यकर्त्यांक तेजें प्रेजेंटेशन दिलें. ताजो फावंडेशन स्टोन आमचे पार्टीचे अध्यक्ष JP नड्डाजी माननीय अध्यक्ष JP नड्डाजी हांच्या हस्ते जातलो. ताजें एक प्रेजेंटेशन दिवपाचो कार्यक्रम आशिल्लो. तिसरो आनी म्हत्वाचो विशय जो आसा माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीजी हांचे विकसित भारत विकसित गोंय 2047 ही महासभा सरकाराच्या वतीन जाता. त्या सरकाराच्या वतीन जावपी कार्यक्रमाक पार्टींतल्यान जवळपास 26,000 लोक हे पार्टीचे कार्यकर्ते थंयसर उपस्थित रावतले. ताज्या भायर 50,000ची एकंदर व्हडली सभा आहा. पार्टीचे सरकाराचे वेगवेगळे कार्यक्रम सरकाराचे वेगवेगळे बेनिफिशरीज वेगवेगळे कार्यक्रम आसा ती सरकाराची प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स जातली तेन्ना हांव एड्रेस करतलो. बट आयच्या घडीक पार्टीच्या वतीन थंयसर जे लोक येवपाचे आसा ताच्या खातीर तयारी म्हणून एकंदर सभा आशिल्ली. ह्या आयच्या मिटिंगेक आमचे पार्टीचे अध्यक्ष सदनश्री तानवडे हांच्यांनी मार्गदर्शन केलें. तांकां आज दिल्ली वचपाचें आशिल्लें ते बेगीन गेले. आमचे पार्टीचे वरिष्ठ नेते श्रीपाद भाऊ नाईक हांच्यांनी ह्या वेगवेगळ्या विशयाचेर मार्गदर्शन केलें.
Anjuna PI has assured residents of Vagator and Anjuna that no loud music will be allowed after 10 p.m. from January 29th. In this edition, a Street Voices team Herald spoke to several people to know their opinion on whether they believe on the assurance of Anjuna Police that there will be no loud music here on.
With respect to yesterday's meeting, I felt it was a bit of an eye wash because the MLA at first suggested that the Panchayat needs to look at the licenses issued as restaurants to these clubs. And then she was talking about the fact that the villagers needed to send an RTI to the Pollution Control Board. The reality is the authority who is in charge and responsible for ensuring that establishments do not pollute with noise is the police. And the PI of Anjuna police station was very much present there. We also need to understand that we as citizens have a right, and it's a fundamental right, to live without noise pollution. And just so everybody understands, before 10 o'clock the limit is 55 decibels, after 10 o'clock it is 45 decibels, and this is to be measured at the boundary of the club which is making the noise. And to get an idea, 55 decibels is like being in a quiet bedroom with a window air conditioner running, or maybe a couple of ceiling fans. 45 decibels, which is the limit after 10 p.m, is like being in a quiet bedroom with a split air conditioner running. And which is why at that point I asked the PI and I said, you know, these laws have been in place for over a year now. In all this time, how many cases have actually been booked? How many establishments have had their equipment seized? And there was no answer. The Act very clearly says that the police has the right to find the establishment, to seize the equipment, and also they can file an FIR, and the sentence actually for noise pollution is as high as 6 months. There was no answer. I repeated after about 10 minutes, I said, I need to know the answer. How many cases have been booked? And then there was no answer.
हांव सदांच पळयता की लावड म्युजीक जेन्ना वाजता पळय हे सगळ्यांक त्रास जाता. आयज तुमी पळयला 10,000 हे लावड म्युजीक बंद करपाक एक हायकोर्टाची एक हें आसा वॉर्डा, पूण ते कोण मानता ते कोण मानिना. हे जे दिल्लीचे जावं आनी खंयचे बेंगलोर जावं खंयसरले आसता पळय, हे जे रेस्टॉरंटान ही चलयता पळय, हेच चड हें करता. हेका लागून खंयचे आमच्या लोकलांक त्रास जाता म्हणून प्रॉब्लेम जाता. हे पळय आशिर्वाद नासतना कांय जायना. तुमी पळयता इतले हें जाता लावड म्युजीक म्हणटकूच आशिर्वाद घेवनूच जाता न्हू. आयज हे आशिर्वादा लागून हे जे लोकल आहा पळय हेका सफर जावचो पडटा. हेचेर कोणी तरी एक्शन घेवंक जाय, कित्याक पुलीस आपलें काम करता पूण पुलिसांक कोण तरी दामता न्हू, हेचेर कोण हें करिना. म्हणून आयज हे खंयचेर तरी प्रॉब्लेम जाता की लोकलांक जे सावंड पोल्युशन हे सगळ्यांक आतां डिस्टर्ब जावन पडलेलें आहा.
Panjim is gearing up for Carnival festivities from February 10th to 13th, with the main float attraction on 10th Feb along the Pata route to Kala Academy. Applicants interested in participating in the float parade are required to submit their applications between January 31st and February 5th. The renowned Samba Square, hosting top Goan bands, will run from February 10th to 13th, culminating in a grand ending by Club Nacional on the 13th Feb with the red and black dance. Addressing potential concerns about traffic, CCP Mayor expressed confidence in collaborating with the traffic cell for a thorough assessment and decision-making.
10th of Feb is the day of the carnival. Now, the route will be exactly the same from Pata to Kala Academy, because the minister has already announced also. One special occasion also is Mr. Francisco Martin. It's his 50th year of designing floats. Now, he's been recognized nationally and internationally also as one of the prestigious float makers also. We will be honouring him and facilitating him on that day also. It's a very special day for us. Now Samba Square will be in the same venue on the same dates from the 10th to the 13th. So we've with all of the top bands of Goa. And yeah, the last day also will be Red and Black by Club National, sorry. And yeah, any questions?
11th day.
So on the 11th, basically we have, so 11th is one of our main days, and on that day we basically have Queen. So that's one of, it's like an internationally recognized band. They play for audiences of 10,000 to 20,000 people also. So they will be one of the highlight bands for our entire. No, categories will be the same. Yeah, so this format will be basically the same. That again also now we will have to sit with traffic police information. They also have given us their full support. They will make all the arrangements.
Because right now the issue is about the.
And so roads are blocked and also there's a lot of issues. So that we will take the traffic police also. We will take their assessment. But we have faith that they will discharge it.
In this episode of Ground Zero on Herald TV, we ask a team to find out whether the environment is ever asked while granting clearance for mines to operate. Listen to Mulgaon, Mai and Shirgaon villagers explain the past, present and future of mining in their villages.
म्हाका अशें दिसता की ह्या मायनिंगा बद्दल आमकां एम्प्लॉयमेंट कांयच क्रिएट जावचो ना हेच्या वयल्यान दिसता.
तसो स्पश्ट फायदो असो किंवा
कितें तरी व्हडलें जालां ह्या मायनिंगाक लागून जे बाबा कोण तरी थंय कामाक लागलो आनी तेजी कितें तरी बरें जालें अशें कांय क्लियर कांयच दिसता
ना ना जावकूच ना जावंक म्हणजे कशें आसा तुमकां जर दिसता म्हणजे तुमकां जर खरेंच पळोवपाचें जाल्यार आमचे मुळगांवा जे गांवकर वाडा आनी मानसबाग हे पंचायतीचे 3 वार्ड ह्या 3 वार्डांनी जवळ जवळ 230 घरां आसा 14 देवळां बारीक मोठी देवळां आसा केळबाई देवस्थान हे शिरगांवची आनी मुळगांवचे जे रिलेशन आहा किंवा मया वांयगिण्या हे जे रिलेशन आहा ती केळबाई देवी जी आसा पळय हिजे देवूळ सुद्दां आमच्या मुळगांवान आसा आनी तिजें अस्तित्व हांगा आसा सांगपाची गोष्ट म्हटल्यार ती कितें देवळां आसा प्रायमरी 2 शाळा आसा पंचायत घर आहा क्रिमिटोरियन आहा आनी इतले आसतना तेंच्यांनी जे EIA रिपोर्ट जो तयार केलो ह्या EIA रिपोर्टान कांयच दाखोवंक ना आमी EC जरी ग्रँट जाली आमी जे आमचे जे डिमांड्स मांडले ते जो पर्यंत फुलफील जायना तो पर्यंत आमी मायन कशीच चालू करूंक दिवचे ना हो आमचो निर्धार आसा आनी हे आमी सांगलेले आसा आमचो लढो हो चालूच आसता आता कशें आहा आमी आमच्या अस्तित्वा खातीर झगडटा आमच्या गांवा खातीर झगडटा आमच्या गांवच्या फुडल्या पिडये खातीर झगडटा
हांव म्हाजें प्रेजेंटेशन आसा मायनिंगचें प्रेजेंटेशन जवळ जवळ 45 मिनटांचें त्या वेळाचेर हांव सांगता आमी लोक आपले रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह इलेक्ट करता पण मायनवाले सिलेक्ट करता हे तथ्य अजून आमच्या लोकांच्या भितर येना आणि मायनी आणि सर्वसामान्य मनुष्य हेंची अशी एकी कडेन खंयसरच जोडणूक जावंक ना नाल्यार आंदोलनां जातली आसली मायनीच्या हेचेर पण ती जायना हेचें कारण मायनीच्या विशीं जशी सिरियसनेस जावपाक जाय आसलो लोकांच्या मदीं तें ना म्हणून हांव एनवायरमेंट म्हणना केन्नाच म्हणना हांव म्हणटा पाणी काय खणी म्हणून तर तळयो उद्ध्वस्त जातात पाणी वयता पण तुमकां खणी जाय काय पाणी जाय हांगाच न्हय साळावलीच्या बाबतींत तेंच आसा मॅंगनीज भरपूर प्रमाणात आसा इट इज व्हेरी डेंजरस फॉर कन्जम्पशन अशें पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड सांगता खांडेपारची न्हय जवळ जवळ 36% लोकांक पाणी पुरयता आणि त्याचं फिल्ट्रेशन जाता मायनीच्या मुळे जवळ जवळ कितल्योश्योच मायनी आसा खांडेपारच्या 1 किलोमिटरच्या अंतराचेर ते जवळ 27 मायनी आसा आणि खांडेपार जी जाली ते 36% लोकांक पाणी पुरयता आणि 56% लोकांक पाणी पुरयता साळावलीन 4 मायनी चालू आसा 16 इन वेटिंग हांगासर इतक्यो मायनी आसा 56 अधिक 36 असे मिळून कितले जाले जवळ जवळ 90% लोकांच्या पिण्याच्या पाण्याचो प्रश्न येतलो म्हणून हांव म्हणटा की पाणी काय खणी बाकी आणि काय ना.
In a remarkable incident on Monday evening at the Old Pato Bridge in Panjim, a young woman riding a two-wheeler narrowly avoided a fatal accident when an Innova car entered from the no-entry side. Fortunately, no injuries or damages were reported.
On Monday evening, a Goa-registered Innova tourist taxi breached the no-entry at the Old Pato Bridge, putting a young woman on a two-wheeler in grave danger. Local commuters quickly gathered at the scene and the local police were promptly informed, resolving the matter on site without any reported injuries or damages.
एक कार आहे एक बाईक
आता तू माकडे त्याच्या सोडूनच बरें तो ओडून हा मरे कोण ताका घालया चेकअप कोर ताका भितर दवडे सेटल करूंक जाय सेटल करूया तुका आतां वाडोवंक जाय वाडोवया आतां पुलीस धाडला आपयलात तुवें आपयलें जालें न्हू.
Sakun Gaude for Herald TV.
Former Member of Parliament Luisino Falero unveiled a statue commemorating the illustrious Dr. Francisco Luis Gomes in the heart of Navelim. Falero expressed deep emotions as he fulfilled a long-standing dream to contribute a meaningful project to the people of Navelim in honor of the revered leader. Listen.
मुझे नदरेन एक मुझे स्वप्न आशिल्लें की एक बरो प्रोजेक्ट डॉक्टर फ्रांसीस लुईस गोमेस हाच्या नांवान नावेलकारांक भेटोवपाक कित्याक डॉक्टर फ्रांसीस लुईस गोमेस नावेलीचो पूत, महान पूत, जाचें स्वप्न आसलें की हे देशाक स्वातंत्र्य दिवपाक. आनी देखून आमी म्हणटात आमच्या देशांत डॉक्टर फ्रांसीस लुईस गोमिश is the first freedom fighter of India who has propounded the concept of national freedom for India 5 years before the Indian National Congress and the national movement was born. His words are still echoing in our ears when he said in the Portuguese Parliament, in the European Parliament, that I was born in the East Indies. I belong to the race which invented chess and Mahabharat, the two works of sublimate eternity. But that nightingale which once soared the heavens and the Himalayas is fluttering its wings against the cage which hold it captive. I ask for my country light and liberty. Very lofty words. And for me, when I was very young, I must tell you, I had a lot of trouble for the last 40 years. I will give you a literature. 40 years I had been fighting litigations after litigations. And we have won all the litigations. Still there are 5 more. I will take it to whatever level. We have won in the High Court, we have won in the District Court, we have, even if we have to go to the Supreme Court, I will fight it in the Supreme Court. Because as I have said, this is something very special and sacred. Because Dr. Francis Lewis Gomes was born in the sacred soil of Naveli. And this sacred soil has started the first movement for the liberation of this country.
A team from the Forest Department embarked on a 20-hour rescue operation to save a 4-year-old bison that had fallen into the main Telari Canal at Hankane on Monday. The challenging operation required the expertise and coordinated efforts of the skilled team who navigated the complexities of the rescue mission with precision and care. The rescue team, Sameer Shetkar, Vishal Gawas, Gopi Hankar, Vishal Naik, Budaji Hasapurkar, Chetan, Viraj, Shahu and Amresh worked tirelessly to ensure the safety of the distressed animal. This season's first Mankarad mangoes have arrived in the main markets, and as expected, the prices are way beyond the reach of the common man. Oshel Sioli-based trader Sameer Dalgarkar has maintained the yearly tradition of being the first one to introduce Mankarad mangoes in the Goan market. Priced between Rs 400 and 600 each, the fruit is beyond the reach of the Aam Aadmi.
Oshel Sholam trader Sameer Dalgarkar continues the annual tradition of unveiling this season's first Mankarad mangoes in Goan markets. With prices ranging from Rs 400 to 600 per mango, the fruit proves to be a luxury beyond the common man's budget. While the typical mango season spans April to June, favorable weather has led to an early January harvest this year. Champa, a vendor in Mapsa market, notes the high cost of Mankarad, resulting in limited purchases by customers who consider it a delicacy. The current scarcity contributes to the elevated prices in the market. Bureau Report, Herald TV.
That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please follow us on Heraldo on Facebook and Twitter. Take care and goodbye.